flat tire? Don't panic. Here's why every car should have a tire inflator. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, get in the car. Pull up the parking brake. Make sure it's in neutral. And then start the car. Check the recommended tire pressure on the sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Connect inflator to charger socket. Remove air valve cap. Connect inflator to air valve. Turn it on and let it do its noisy little job. You can check the pressure while inflating. Okay, we're speeding this up. It usually takes 3-5 minutes to fully inflate a tire, depending on your inflator and tire size. The tire is full. Turn off the inflator. Disconnect it. Cap goes back on. Just like that, you're good to go. Always keep an inflator in your car. You never know when you'll need it. Thank you for watching.